Welcome, here I've got Vivo V21 5G and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off device watermark in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner button so we can open the advanced camera settings. And now we have to slide a little bit down to find watermark option, so let's pick it. Here at the second position we have model watermark option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. For now let me keep it turned on. When we move back to the camera we can take a picture to see it. And now let's move to the left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery. So this is how my photo looks like, with watermark in the left corner at the bottom. We can get closer to it. Vivo V21 5G. And of course when we don't need it, we have to move back to the camera, then to right corner settings, slide down to watermark and use the right button to turn it off. So for now when we take another picture, the model watermark should be not visible at it. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.